ACUITY shift link bushings, so it should be easy swap. And also I gotta fix my my exhaust, man. I don't know if it was installed wrong or AWE just not the best quality, but my exhaust hangers keep moving. Or is it my exhaust hangers? I don't know. What the hell? I gotta leave my dad's key. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, that's slow. I don't know if it's the exhaust hangers that are fucking weak and it keeps moving, but shit is annoying. And my exhaust keeps rattling, and I feel like I have a leak. I don't know if one of the welds broke or maybe the clamp got loose, but it's annoying, man. So I'm gonna try to give y'all the POV. Once again, I'm not gonna tell you how to do it. I'm just showing that I'm doing it, man, because I don't know how to explain stuff. So if you can fix it by just seeing me do it, hey man, more power to you. So you know, we in the bins. We should do that with the touch. Right there. Oh. My bad. Forgot to put this shit in park. Is it in park? Okay, cool. Brake on, but yeah, I'll pick this up right now. I'm about to go. Got the right rocket and my babies outside right there. Give you guys a little cold start. Maybe the leak will be able to be heard. Alright, so let's get this.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
Slide that forward and boom, here we go. So we get the flathead and start. There we go. Boom, number one out. Put this to the side. And then I believe, you gotta remove the cotter pin, but need a needle nose, but you'll be doing, you'll do it fine. Like this should work. Perfect. So you don't want to lose this, so make sure you take care of that. Lift it up. Then you put the flathead in there and just gently lift up and boom, that fell over. So here it is. Here's the thing. So in the package you get the big one, which the small one, and it comes with the cotter pins too. So pretty much the small one goes on the closer one to you. You'll see it once you you do this. So I'm assuming, okay, this side up. So I'm assuming this goes like this. So flip it. I'm assuming this goes like this. And you put the small one that they give you, the O-ring. You put it at the bottom. Alright, so just put the O-ring at the bottom. If you have to disconnect the cable, do it. Just try to fit it over. Hopefully it's easy. Boom, and make sure it's all the way down. Put it back in the housing right here, which was, maybe it was like this. Was it like that? Yeah, it had to be. Boom. Down. Should be safe. And then get the ring that they gave us, a little cotter pin. Boom. I already have a parent one, but I don't think that one's as good as boom. Voila. That's one down. It's nice snug in there. Let's put this back in. Damn, if I could take this one off. Whew, okay. Alright, so now we get the big bushing. Where's it at? Oh, don't tell me I dropped all the. This side down. Snug. Seems snug to me. I'll put this one, same thing as the other one.